Computapes Microsoft Word video number 9, using bullet points. Bullet points are little symbols that go to the left side of a list, almost like a checklist. Now, the most important thing to know about bullet points is that they only work on a set of one-line paragraphs. So if there is a paragraph that is only one paragraph with several lines, you will not have bullet points. You will have only one bullet point per paragraph. So this function or this feature is only useful if you have several lines, one on top of each other, and each of them you hit the Enter key after the line to make a new paragraph for the next line. Let's take a look. The Show Hide tool clearly shows that this section here is one whole paragraph, whereas these lines here are separate one-line paragraphs. The bullet points will not work on this. The bullet points will work on this section because you're only allowed to put, or Word will only put, one bullet point per line. So, if, for example, I highlighted this entire paragraph with these 4 lines, and I went into the paragraph group, which, by the way, is in the Home tab, and I clicked over here for the bullets, I could choose the bullet that I want. For example, I like this check mark. The computer will only put one check mark next to the entire paragraph because you are only supposed to put, or at least Word will only put, one bullet point per paragraph. So I'm going to undo that. Now, if I click and drag and select several lines where each of them are in their own paragraph, and then I go to the paragraph group and choose the bullet point feature, and I click the check mark, now you can see that there are bullet points next to each line. If I click the Show Hide tool, you can tell that each line is a separate paragraph, and then if I remove it, you can see that it just looks like a checklist. Now, the great thing about Microsoft Word is whenever the cursor is in one paragraph and you hit Enter, the following paragraph has the exact same format as the previous paragraph. Enter, and you will see it's another checkpoint. So if I remove these, you would see, get rid of this, you would see that if I click here and I hit Enter, the next line has a bullet point. Hit Enter, the next line is a separately created paragraph, and Word will automatically put the bullet points there because, once again, whenever the cursor is sitting in a paragraph that's formatted a specific way, and then you hit Enter, it creates a new blank paragraph with the same format as the previous paragraph. And again, if I wanted to remove the bullet points, I would highlight all of the lines. I would go back to the paragraph group in the Home tab, click the command that relates to bullets, and I would click None. And that removes the bullet points. This way, I can click here and hit Enter, and I won't be bothered by any more bullet points.